All right, peeps, so we just got to the Sahara station here on the monorail. So we are at the most northbound station that you can get on the monorail. We're gonna head inside the Sahara and then check that out and hop on over to the Fontainebleau. Check it out, guys. We're at the top floor at the Sahara station here. You can see a glimpse of the Strat right here. That's how far we are northbound. You can also see a glimpse of Circa Las Vegas, and that's on Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. So if you continue along Las Vegas Boulevard, you get all the way down to Fremont, and the Stratosphere is right here. We're gonna head across now to the Sahara. This station is connected to the Sahara. We are right at the back of the property. Let's go. A view of the Stratosphere. We are heading inside the Sahara Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas, walking by the Alexandra Tower. And we're coming from the monorail, as you can see. This is what it looks like here in the Sahara. Very well appointed. I believe they renovated recently, if I'm not mistaken. Just gonna check out your lobby area here to see what it looks like. This property usually has some good deals too. All you can eat, all types of good stuff. This is what the lobby area looks like here. Very nice. Access to their tower over there. So we're at the back entrance of the Sahara, Las Vegas here, where the monorail is. You can see the west gate in the distance. We're gonna head back towards the front lobby area. This is just the Alexandra Tower. And we'll head on to the side of Las Vegas Boulevard, see what that looks like. We're coming from the monorail. Sahara is still a quite nice hotel here, even though it's all the way up on the north end of the strip. Cool looking Starbucks as well inside. We got access to the Blanca Tower on this direction. Check out this setup right here. It looks very cool that they have for Christmas. And then this direction would lead towards their casino area. So this is where you would access the Sahara's pool, which is closed for the season. There's their casino area. And then one of their major restaurants here called Uno Mas Street Tacos and Spirits. Beside that, they have the Zephyr's Cafe, open 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily. Looks very nice in here. We're gonna continue through the casino and see what else the property has to offer. one of their lounges here at the Sahara.
The casino area is nice.
Nice little casino area as well. Don't sleep on the Sahara, guys. The only thing it doesn't have going for it is that it's not in the middle of the strip. They're all the way up north, close to the stratosphere. They got a new restaurant coming soon called Maroon, debuting early 2026. And it's supposed to be a Caribbean steakhouse, which is pretty cool. On this side, they have an Asian restaurant called Noodle Den. We're just working our way out to the front where Las Vegas Boulevard is so we can head across to the Fontainebleau. They have a William Hill Sportsbook in here. It's a part of their Chickies and Pete's bar. And we're heading around to the main entrance of the Sahara right now. This is their main lobby area. Let's see what it looks like over here. Should be pretty nice. The whole property has been very nice so far. Some real nice looking chandeliers here and a very nice entrance. So that was the main entrance, and then you come back around towards the Cast Bar Lounge here, which we passed earlier. They also have a theater here called the Sahara Theater, where they have live shows. They also have the Magic Mike Live Theater, which is different, but very nice hotel and casino. This is a glimpse of what their rideshare valet pickup and drop off area looks like. So right now we're right adjacent to Las Vegas Boulevard. You can see right there, and you can see a glimpse of the Fontainebleau Las Vegas, which is where we're heading to next. There you have it, folks. We just went inside the Sahara, Las Vegas to, just check it out, see what's up. We didn't stay there, obviously. We took the monorail from MGM Grand all the way to the end of the line here, northbound on the strip. This is the final station at the Sahara, and then checked out the Sahara Hotel and Casino. Really great hotel, actually. Very well appointed. It very much surprised us. We're gonna wrap up the video right here. If you want to see more of our content on the Las Vegas Strip or in other cities as well, subscribe to the channel. It's free to do. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like if you like this type of content, and we're gonna see you in our next video. Take care. Peace out from the Sahara, Las Vegas. Cheers, guys.